In this guide, we're going over how you can enable voice chat here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now begin by loading into Fortnite, and what you need to do is click on your profile picture up in the top right and then select the little settings gear to open up your settings, and you need to go to the communication tab just like so, as well as the audio tab. But let's start with communication right here. Go ahead and select that and make sure that voice chat is set to everybody and that your mic itself isn't muted. You can also switch push to talk off and turn it to open mic instead so that you could just, hear everyone and your mic will activate as soon as you talk. And finally, what I do is check your input device. Make sure that this is set to the correct input and output device as well. Your input should be whatever your microphone is, and your output should be like your headset, your speakers. Make sure they're set correctly. And then finally, go up to the audio tab and then scroll down a little bit and find voice chat and make sure it's not muted as well. I like to keep mine at 50%, but that is it. Apply the changes down here and then back out, and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.